Alright, so Yukie, I'm making this video really quick just to show you how I was able to add bones to my character's hair. So as you can see, this is my old Yui model. This is the one that originally that I made from Vroid Studio. So if I wanted to add bones to her hair, if you go to General Editor, let's see. Actually, go to Camera and Export, sorry. If you go to Camera and Export, you're gonna get these poses and animations here. So if you go to the poses and animation, you click on any of them, and you see how my character's hair is like flowing when it moves. It's not standing still. So that's because I added bones to it. So once you add the bones, you can check how your hair looks by going to Camera and Exporter and just playing around with the female animation and poses. So you can kind of see how your hair flows with movement. That's just something I do, just so I know, you know, so I can tweak stuff in case my hair is too loose or my hair is not, you know, relaxed enough. So we go over to Hair Editor, and it says bones right here and texture on the top left, right here where it says design, bone, and texture. You're gonna click on the bones, and right here you already see that my character has like a bunch of different bone groups. You can actually change the number of bones that your model will have this way. Let's see. So if I go down to here, okay, so the first one here is basically representing all three of these strands. So on the right hand corner, you're gonna see bone group parameters. That basically, when it says bone count on the right side, it's asking you how many bones you think that this part of the hair would need. So it's basically asking you what how fluid or how much movement do you want on the hair, basically is asking you. Once you choose, like I just put 2 here randomly, you can actually move the fixed point and you can actually stretch it out so it moves more of the hair. You can also add stiffness, you can add gravity. I don't mess a lot with the fixed point and the stiffness, but I do add a little bit of it. This is all just like preference, so it's not really something that you have to do, but the bone count is something that you really need to do if you're working with long hair. Because if you look at my longer strands, you can see that my hair has 4 or 5 different bones, compared to my bangs, which only have, originally they only have 1 because I don't like them moving a lot because they're bangs. But my longer hairs have longer bones. Like if you look back here, my hair has 4 bones attached to it. And you can also choose the radius of how much it interacts with the other hair. Once you do that, like let me try adding a bunch of bones just to show you what it would look like. So if I add a bunch of bones, let me see. If I add a lot of bones to these, just any of them really, it doesn't really matter. I'm just clicking on all of them. If I add bones to all of these, and I go over to Camera Exporter, look how my hair moves now. Let me actually try adding some to my bangs, because my bangs are, oh, see, my bangs are moving a lot more now. So if I add some more bones to my bangs here, it's gonna make my bangs a lot more fluid. So let's add a lot just so you can see how different it would look. Let's add more bones. I feel like my hair is gonna look really funny, but let's add bones just to see what it would look like. All right, let's add this many. All right, so we added a buttload of bones to my bangs. So let's see what it looks like once I actually use the animation and the poses. So you see, my bangs are a lot more fluid now. Although the collision isn't that great though, because it's kind of clipping through everything, which is why you have to kind of pick the right amount of bones. You can't put too many bones because then it starts clipping through your model's hair or your model's face. But yeah, that's the basic tutorial of how I do bones and stuff in Vroid Studio. So hopefully this helped. If you have any more questions, Yukie, just let me know on Discord. But yeah, it's pretty simple, right? All right. All right. I hope this helped, Yukie. I really hope this helped.